To set corner action for top right, to do the swipe right function in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Under corner action section, tap top right. Scroll down the screen to the bottom and then tap the gray on option next to swipe right to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, you can connect a USB or Bluetooth mouse with your phone. Once done connecting, go to the screen where you can do a swipe right function. As the example, we will use it to swipe right the app screen. To do so, go to the app screen. Next, hover and stop your mouse pointer on the top right corner of the screen and then bring the pointer to an empty area on the left side of the screen to swipe right the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.